Experience convenience on bill payments and recharge with HDFC Bank. Experience convenience on bill payments and recharge with HDFC Bank. Log in to your HDFC Bank net banking. In the top navigation menu, click on the Bill Pay and Recharge tab. Click on Continue. Then click on the Add Biller tab to register your bills. Choose from a host of categories like electricity, mobile, postpaid and prepaid, DTH, etc. and enjoy the ease of paying your bills. Now select your biller's name and enter your customer number and the nickname for the biller. The autopay instruction will be pre-activated. In case you wish to opt out, remember to switch off the button. For automatic payments, you can set the payment limit and choose a payment method. Once done, finally check your details and then click on Confirm to proceed. Congratulations! Your biller has been successfully added. You can now manage all your billers easily. Just go to the menu section. To view your billers or modify details, click on My Billers. Then click on the option icon to view, edit or delete the biller. To check your payment summary, click on Payments option in the menu. You will have a summary view and the status of your payments. To check your scheduled payments, click on Scheduled Bills in the menu. You will get a view of all your scheduled bill payments. So go ahead and enjoy the convenience of paying bills with HDFC Bank.